What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Winning with Nick. And today's video, I'll just kind of be giving you a sample of what's on the Patreon. So I got two questions from subscribers that I'd like to go over, and I wrote them down just to make sure I got all the wording and the phrasing correctly. The first question is, why am I not winning? And the second question is, what are 5 tips you can give to someone new to working out? So I'll address the second question first. 5 tips I can give to someone that's new to working out. Number 1, figure out what it is that you're trying to do with working out. Because if you paid attention to my setting goals video, if you're just working out and have no goal in mind, then you're just wasting your time. Goal number 2, find somebody who knows what they're talking about, i.e. me. If you've seen the previous uploads, I've uploaded things about getting your arms bigger or developing your chest. So if that's what you're looking for, I can reference you right back to those videos. Tip number 3, consistency. If you're just going to work out one week and then give it up the next week, then number 1, this isn't the channel for you. Number 2, you'll never achieve those fitness goals. Tip number 4, find a gym. So right now, I understand that we are in a COVID-19 pandemic, so getting in the gym isn't the most ideal thing, which is why all my videos are workouts you can do at home. See, I care about you guys, therefore I customize my videos to what you guys are currently going through, So the moment this COVID-19 pandemic is over, I need you to go out, find a gym, not some crappy gym, some quality gym, That's what I'm working on myself. The moment COVID-19 is over, gym membership on the way. Tip number 5, find someone to work out with. It is very difficult to work out by yourself because you have to be a self-motivator, and not many people are capable of having the mental capacity to push themselves. That is why here we're Winning at Nick, we focus on that winning mindset, So you can, when you're by yourself, push through those tough times. But back to the point. Tip number 5, find somebody to work out with. It is a beautiful thing to be next to someone who wants success just as bad as you do. So when it comes to working out, find you somebody who's just as dedicated as you are and go get them gains, man. All right, those are 5 tips to help beginners that are new to working out, Now, with that other question about why you're not winning at life, subscribe to the Patreon and I'll make a video to address it. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day.